Have you ever wondered how your diet affects your hormones, especially when following a keto lifestyle? Today we're diving into the world of high-protein keto versus cyclical keto and their effects on women's hormonal health. I'm sure you have heard about the two popular approaches, high-protein keto and cyclical keto. They both promise incredible results, but which one is truly best for our hormones? Well, I've done my research and I'm about to break it all down for you. High-protein keto is a twist on the traditional ketogenic diet where protein takes center stage. While classic keto emphasizes fat as the primary micronutrient, high-protein keto increases protein intake to support muscle maintenance and growth. This can be particularly beneficial for active women or for those looking to preserve muscle mass while losing fat. Now, you might be thinking, but isn't keto all about loading up on fat? Yeah, kind of, but high protein adds a twist to the plot. It turns up the protein dial, providing your muscles with the building blocks that they need to thrive. This can be a game changer for active women, those in the weight room chasing gains, or anyone looking to keep their muscle armor intact while on a quest to vanish body fat. It's like having your keto cake and eating your protein too. However, every hero's journey has its challenges. Shifting the macronutrient balance can send ripples through the hormonal realm. Insulin, the guardian of blood sugar and fat storage, is particularly sensitive to this change. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition highlights that a higher protein intake on a low-carb diet can influence insulin levels. So, how do you navigate this high-protein keto adventure? It's all about striking the right balance. It's weaving together a tapestry of nutrition where protein, fat, and carbs all play their parts harmoniously. It might require some fine-tuning, experimenting with different protein levels, and listening to your body's signals. If you need customized support with this, book a call with me and let's chat. Cyclical keto, on the other hand, introduces a dynamic rhythm to the ketogenic diet. By alternating between low-carb keto days and higher-carb refeed days, this approach aims to provide the benefits of ketosis while addressing some of its potential drawbacks, such as hormonal imbalances or decreased athletic performance. The strategic inclusion of carb ups can help replenish glycogen stores, support healthy hormone function, and prevent the metabolic slowdown often associated with long-term carb restriction. For women, this can be particularly relevant for maintaining menstrual regularity and overall hormonal balance. Think of cyclical keto as the dietary equivalent of interval training. Just as interval training mixes short, intense bursts of exercise with periods of rest, cyclical keto alternates between the strict low-carb regime of traditional keto and welcome interludes of higher carb refeeds. This rhythm not only keeps things interesting, but is designed to dance around some of the keto diet's trickier aspects, like hormonal imbalances and dips in athletic performance. Picture your body on traditional keto, thriving in the state of ketosis, but perhaps quietly yearning for a dash of dietary diversity. Then cyclical keto sweeps in, offering days with carbs re-enter the scene, replenishing your body's glycogen stores, much like a long-awaited rainfall nourishes a parched garden. This isn't just about quenching a craving for carbs. It's a calculated move to ignite your body's hormonal harmony and keep your metabolism from hitting a plateau. For women navigating the ebbs and flows of this hormonal tide, this approach could be akin to finding a secret map to hormonal balance. The cyclical introduction of carbs can play a pivotal role in maintaining menstrual regularity, an aspect often disrupted by strict low-carb diets. By tempering the rigidity of keto with mindful carb refeeds, cyclical keto promises a path to sustainable health and wellness, aligning diet with the natural rhythms of the female body. These refeed days aren't a green light for a carb free-for-all, but rather a strategic replenishment, carefully chosen to fuel your body and to support your endocrine system. By navigating cyclical keto with intention, you embark on a nuanced path to wellness, one that respects the complex interplay between diet, exercise, and hormonal health, promising a more tailored and sustainable approach to keto living. When comparing high protein and cyclical keto, it's essential to understand their distinct impacts on hormones. High protein keto may influence hormones like insulin and growth hormone, which are sensitive to protein intake. Cyclical keto, with its periodic carb refeeds, can have a more pronounced effect on insulin and leptin, a hormone involved in hunger regulation. Additionally, the cyclical approach may be more conducive to maintaining a healthy balance of reproductive hormones, such as estrogen and progesterone, which are crucial for women's health. Imagine your hormones as a finely tuned orchestra, each playing its part in the symphony of your health. Now, enter two conductors, high protein keto and cyclical keto, each bringing a different approach to directing this hormonal harmony. Let's compare how these keto variants influence key players in our endocrine ensemble, like estrogen, progesterone, and insulin. High protein keto steps into the stage with a focus on protein, which can be music to the ears of those looking to maintain muscle mass and feel satiated. On the other side of the auditorium, cyclical keto introduces a rhythm of carb refeeds, offering a reprieve from the strict low-carb score. This approach can be particularly harmonious for women, as it may support the balance of reproductive hormones like estrogen and progesterone. By reintroducing carbs periodically, cyclical keto can help prevent the hormonal flat notes that sometimes accompany long-term carb restriction. The question is, which conductor will lead your hormonal orchestra to a harmonious performance? It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. High-protein keto might be the maestro for those focusing on muscle maintenance and metabolic health, while cyclical keto could be the key to keeping the rhythm of hormonal balance and flexibility in your diet. Choosing between high protein and cyclical keto depends on your individual hormonal health needs and fitness goals. Factors like your menstrual cycle, energy levels, and body composition should guide your decision. For those with concerns about insulin sensitivity or metabolic flexibility, cyclical keto might offer a more balanced approach. Meanwhile, high-protein keto could be a better fit for those focused on muscle preservation and satiety. Listening to your body and working with a healthcare professional can help you tailor your keto journey to support your hormonal well-being. Picture yourself as the captain of your health ship, with factors like your menstrual cycle, energy levels, and body composition serving as your navigational stars. For women, the ebb and flow of hormones throughout the month can significantly impact how you feel on a day-to-day basis. A diet that syncs with your cycle can be a game changer, offering smooth sailing through hormonal tides. It's also important to consider your energy levels. Are you feeling vibrant and lively, or are you often running on empty? High-protein keto, with its emphasis on protein, can be a lighthouse, guiding you towards sustained energy and muscle maintenance, especially if you're an active individual or someone looking to tone up. It's like having a steady wind in your sails, keeping you propelled forward. On the other hand, if you're charting a course through choppy waters of insulin sensitivity or seeking greater metabolic flexibility, cyclical keto might be your beacon of balance. By weaving in carb refeeds, this approach can help moderate insulin response and provide a metabolic reset, allowing you to navigate the keto seas with more agility. The key to making the right choice for your body is tuning into its signals and seeking guidance from a trusted healthcare professional. Together, you can map out a keto journey that's tailored to your hormonal health, ensuring that you reach your destination feeling balanced, energized, and aligned with your wellness goals. Now, have you tried either of these keto diets? How did it affect your hormonal health? Share your experiences in the comments. Now, if you're intrigued by the idea of balancing high protein or cyclical keto with your unique hormonal and weight loss needs, click the link in the description to download your free carb cycling cheat sheet and take the next step in customizing your keto lifestyle to your body's needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.